Hey everyone, welcome back to Whisper. Today we've got something special lined up, so stay tuned for some powerful insights to kickstart your day. I want to talk about something that's close to all of our hearts: family. No matter where we are in life, family plays a vital role in shaping who we are and where we're headed. Family life is a beautiful journey, but it's not without its challenges. From navigating parenting struggles to building stronger bonds, every family faces moments of joy and growth, as well as trials and misunderstandings. In this video, we'll explore powerful insights and practical tips to help you foster connection, understanding, and harmony at home. Whether you're a parent looking for guidance or seeking ways to improve family dynamics, this is your first step toward creating a home filled with love and mutual respect. Let's dive in. Building stronger family bonds takes intentional effort, communication, and a commitment to fostering trust and understanding. Here are some practical steps to strengthen family relationships. 1. Communicate openly and honestly. Why? Open communication builds trust and helps resolve misunderstandings. How? Hold regular family meetings to discuss feelings, concerns, and plans. 2. Spend quality time together. Why? Shared experiences create lasting memories and deepen connections. How? Plan weekly activities like movie nights, game nights, or outdoor adventures. Eat meals together without distractions to encourage meaningful conversations. 3. Show appreciation and gratitude. Why? Feeling valued strengthens relationships. How? Regularly express thanks for small acts of kindness. 4. Practice empathy and understanding. Why? Empathy reduces conflict and builds emotional intimacy. How? Put yourself in each other's shoes during disagreements. 5. Create a supportive environment. Why? Support builds trust and helps navigate challenges together. How? Encourage open discussions about goals, fears, and struggles. 6. Resolve conflicts calmly. Why? Healthy conflict resolution prevents long-term resentment. How? Address issues promptly instead of letting them fester. 7. Set boundaries and respect personal space. Why? Respecting individuality strengthens family unity. How? Give everyone time and space to recharge. 8. Set clear boundaries for behavior and responsibilities. 9. Show love in their love language. Why? Each family member feels love differently. How? Learn each other's love language, e.g., words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service. Family is the foundation of our lives, and building stronger bonds is a journey worth every effort. By practicing communication, empathy, and intentional time together, you can create a home filled with love, trust, and mutual respect. Remember, it's the little moments that make the biggest difference. My challenge for you today is simple. Reach out to a family member and tell them how much they mean to you. Trust me, that one gesture can make all the difference, for them and for you. If this message resonates with you, let me know in the comments how your family inspires you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little reminder